Yo, what's up everyone? Silver Slayer, welcome back for another video. So today I'm going to do a little different type of video. It's more universal, not just for crypto investors or silver investors, but for anyone. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. But these are 10 tips on how to become a millionaire. So most of you guys are probably asking if I'm a millionaire. No, I am not right now, but I did make a lot of money in a very short period of time. I made a video that I'll actually link right up there, where I said I was going to make $100,000 in crypto in 1 year, and I actually did that in about 3 or 4 months and made about $140,000. Now I'm going to share some of the tips I used, the perspective I came from, and I'm just going to basically share with you how I did it. And you don't have to take, I'm not a financial expert, but I have been investing silver, gold, and cryptocurrency. I'm going to get into real estate soon. And I have tons of other videos on that. So if you do like what you see or hear, then make sure to subscribe for more videos. But first, I just want to start off by saying thank you for watching, and we are about to start these 10 tips. So the first tip is probably the most important. I made a list. I put a star next to the ones that are very important, and I'll mention why. And every millionaire has at least 5 sources of income. Now this is very important. I made a video called Planting Seeds and Blossoming Wealth, and I definitely recommend you watch that video. I will also post that link in the description. Basically what that is planting little seeds, investing in all these little things that all grow your wealth over time. Like, kind of like saying putting all your eggs in one basket. If you put all your eggs in one basket and that basket drops, all your eggs are broke. But if you put your eggs in lots of different baskets, if one of those baskets drops, you still have all your eggs, or most of them. And that's the thing, is because investing is risky. With no risk, there's no reward. I took some huge chances on some coins, but I've made a lot of money off of them. I've lost some, but I've made a lot more than I've lost, and that's because of some of the other tips I'm going to go to. But definitely make sure you want to diversify and just plant little seeds. Find companies, find different coins, find new markets. What's a blooming market that that no one's heard of yet, where you can get in early while the coin is cheap, or maybe you have your own little thing that you do, or your YouTube channel that you can build your own little enterprise. So definitely 5 sources of income. You definitely want to plant little seeds. You don't just want to have one go-to and that's all your money. You want to also always have sources of income coming in from all different angles, and that's definitely a very important tip. Another one is potential and speculation. So you want to look for coins or whatever your investment is that has potential. Now I'm going to go over Regal coin because this is where I made a lot of my money from. So there's this coin called Regal coin. It was actually a company, a lending company, where you can buy on there, you can trade, you can stake your coins on there. They have Regal 7, and I started talking about it right when it came out, and I saw the comments on my videos started flooding. Everyone's talking about Regal coin. They would put a minimum supply out for 1 day, and they would sell out, like millions would sell it within seconds, where you would have to be there literally when they would put the time. You'd have to sit and wait, and even if you're 5 seconds late, you probably missed the boat. So I knew once this coin hit the market, it was going to explode. So I bought 970 Regal coins for 97 cents. So I bought 1,000 for 97 cents. So I put $970 down, and when I sold, it was $70 a coin. So I turned $970 into $70,000 of actual money. Now I did sell at $30, some at 50, so it's not exactly 70. But the point is that I saw potential. I saw that everyone's talking about this coin because the crypto markets are a lot off of speculation, for good or for bad. And I saw the potential. You can stake with it, you can do lending, you can make interest. If I put $100 down, then every day I get paid out X amount, and I get my money back after my term is up. So you want to think about that, or on the opposite. If you see a coin that doesn't have potential, where it doesn't make sense, then don't invest. Go with your gut, and try to just think about it logically. Kind of going into the other one, diversify what makes sense. When I first got into cryptocurrency, I wanted to get in without spending any money, so I found a platform called Steemit, where I earned free cryptocurrency by basically posting my YouTube videos on there, and I was earning Steam dollars or Steam tokens, which is cryptocurrency, for free. So I basically, since I was new and I didn't really know what I was doing yet, I found a way to earn free cryptocurrency by simply posting the videos that I already make on this channel. So it is my way of kind of getting in and learning and understanding, and I definitely did tons of research. I did tons and tons of research, spent hours on YouTube trying to watch videos, understand, the markets, how they work, how they fluctuate. And knowledge is power, and that does go a long way. Another one is cutting out unnecessary spending habits. I remember when I used to buy a lot of Starbucks and spend a lot on unnecessary things. And Starbucks, if you do the math, it's usually $10 to $20, and if you go there 3 or 4 times a day, and then you multiply that by a month, you're looking at $500 to $600 a month, where that could be going into a coin that can make you thousands upon thousands of dollars, or just to have that extra money. And make coffee at home. But that was just one example. There's tons of examples. So definitely make a list. Make your financial list out. Me and my girlfriend did it the other day, looking at our budget. What we need versus what we want. And you want to look at it like that. Another one is think positive and write out your goals. I always had my goals. Every month I had a long-term and a short-term goal list. Whether it's YouTube videos, like I would have an idea of like 10 videos. I want to make these 10 videos this month, or within the next couple months I want to learn how to use GDAX or learn how to start margin trading. And you want to see those, because every day when I'm looking up right above my laptop, I see that, and I process that in my brain, and it becomes more of a reality. Because if I would just say, oh, I'm going to learn it someday, then the chances of me actually pursuing it are a lot less than me seeing it every day. GDAX, invest in that, make my videos, see every day, make my videos. So that's another one. Another one, a big star, is buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. It's simple, but most people do the opposite. I'm sorry to say it, but most people buy high, sell low. And the reason for this is because people buy high when everyone's talking about it. When everyone's talking about Bitcoin at $20,000, it's all over CNN, everyone's talking about it. Then they buy it, but they're not realizing that's when it's the most expensive, because everyone's buying it, because everyone's talking about it. And then when it drops down, people get scared it's going to keep dropping, so then they sell when it usually goes back up. So you want to have the mind state, buy low, sell high, get in early, and hold on. You never lost that money. If you could buy Bitcoin at $20,000, and if it went down to $7,000, it's not like you lost money yet. If you sold it then you would lose the money, because you sold. But if you hold on and it goes back up to $20,000, then you broke even. If it goes above that, then you make your profits. But the point is that you want to hold on, and you want to think rationally. You want to buy low, sell high, and most people do the opposite. It's called weak hands, or just people who are new to the game and they're scared, which I understand. I was very scared. It's very confusing to get into cryptocurrency. This is another one, very important, is think rational. Don't get attached. I remember there was a guy called High on Coins. He had this coin. I forget what the coin was called, but it was basically a pump and dump, where he was getting everyone on his channel to promote this coin and pump it, and they were gonna pump it up really high and just and while everyone's buying it, and then just dump and sell all the coins, dropping the price down, so everyone who wasn't in their little group basically just lost all their money. And you want to be very aware of that. They're called pump and dumps. They're called exit scams, Ponzi schemes, and that's something you want to be aware of. When I do find them, I always shout them out of my channel. Be aware of this, and that's why I didn't get into that coin. Thank God I didn't, because I was thinking about it, because I could, since I was in the group technically, because I found it early enough, I probably could have made, but I didn't feel right. So you definitely want to be aware of that. Think rational. And also, you don't get attached with emotion. Like if you're very emotional with a coin that you've stuck with since the beginning and it's not doing good, sometimes you gotta just let go. You gotta think with your heart, not your brain. Or think with your brain, not your heart. Sometimes, because you can get attached, and not even with just cryptocurrency, whether it's real estate or a property that you believe in, but it's just not selling. It's only worth as much as someone's willing to give you. I can say that my house that I just flipped is worth $90,000, but if no one's giving me $90,000, that house is not worth that much. It's only worth as much as someone's willing to pay. So you want to think about that. Another one is definitely is it a hobby or a job? So when I got into silver, I didn't get into it because I'm trying to get rich and all this. I thought it was amazing. I like the artwork, the way it's all the different designs, how there's mint caps, how there's these cool coins that are BU, brilliant uncirculated. I have coins from the 1700s, shipwreck coins. I have gold pandas that look cool, that have privy marks, and with cryptocurrency, like, I'm learning about it. I like learning things. I like taking on the challenge, and I knew how confusing cryptocurrency was. So I stepped up to the plate. I made my introduction video on this channel a while ago saying I was going to get into it and I was going to share my experience and what I learned through the way, and I still have been till this day with this video. And it's not a job to me. It's a hobby. It's a passion. I enjoy doing this. The money just kind of comes as a bonus, and which is cool because you can turn your hobby into a job. And you just want to have fun with it. You don't want to be sitting there for hours just staring at the markets all stressed and just always panicking, worrying if it's going down or if Bitcoin's down 2% one day that you're freaking out. Just relax. It's just take it more as just a side investment. You always want to have your basic, if you have a job, don't quit your job and just get all into this. Do both. Invest some of your job money into this, and little by little, and just keep learning and find what works for you. What worked for me in investing might not work for you. What worked for me was getting into silver, posting my YouTube channel where I have a large following to be able to use my affiliate links and learn about the faucet sites, and then get into GDAX and learn how to go that route and get into, that was what worked for me. But some people don't have a YouTube channel. They don't have affiliate links to share. So some people need to go different routes. Maybe it's posting paid on Facebook. You can do paid promotion for your Coinbase account. And you can set up the widget and make it look all the banner. And as soon as someone sees it, if you pay $15 a month, someone clicks on it, they use your affiliate link, every $100 they spend, you get $10 also right into your wallet in Bitcoin. So what works for me, just learn what works for you. Think rational. I have a very large channel, so things are a lot easier for me. But I didn't always have 13,000 subs. There was a point when I had 2,000 subs, and I had to do it that way, where I did actually do Facebook paid promotion. And that really did help me get to where I was trying to go. And one day you will get where I'm at. Because I remember, back when I had when I got my first 1,000 subs, how exciting that was, and how I never thought I would get here. So just always try to think about that, know your potential, and think positive. It's basically those are the 10 tips. I just want to talk about the channel in general. My channel is an investing channel. A lot of people ask, do I invest in silver still? Yes, but I'm not currently buying silver. Right now, I'm going to post more videos about this, but right now, Ethereum Classic is getting listed on Coinbase in a couple months. They just announced it. It's new. So I am going to be putting a lot of my money into Ethereum Classic because once it hits Coinbase, I know I'm not a psychic, I'm not a fortune teller, but I know once it hits Coinbase, which is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, once Coinbase lists that coin, that it will go up, especially since Coinbase is the most beginner. Everyone who gets into cryptocurrency starts with Coinbase. That's why my how to buy a cryptocurrency beginner video has 176,000 views, where I'm showing Coinbase because it's very basic, it's not confusing, it's very easy. Where my next video I'm actually going to be posting tomorrow, you guys will see it tomorrow morning, is where I'm going to show you how to use exchanges to buy altcoins. There's thousands of coins out there, and it's very confusing, but I'm going to make a video tomorrow and break it down as simple as possible. I'll start from square one with you guys and take you through every step so you can buy other coins besides just Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, and soon to be in Bitcoin Cash. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up definitely pushes my videos and gets them larger to more views, where I can help and reach out to more people. And if you are a fan of my channel, liking my videos and leaving nice comments and sharing the videos is definitely helps the most. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Go back, watch this video over and over, write the 10 tips down. I'm actually going to list the 10 tips in the description as well if you guys want to see them. So thank you guys for watching. This was Silver Slayer, and I'm out.